It's kind of chilly out here this morning. I'm up before I gotta get ready for work. Out here in the saw shack, we got something in the mail yesterday. Anyway, we got something in the mail from a new subscriber. Yeah, pretty special guy. His name, some of you might know him. His name is DJ Jeremiah. And some of you might know him from the show Axeman. And let me tell you, that man has changed a lot. DJ, you rock, brother. You rock. I can't believe this. I'm so fortunate to have you as a friend, and to have the friendship that we have. You know what I'm talking about, buddy. Yeah. You're awesome. Anyway, I hope everybody's having a good day. Whenever you end up seeing this, I hope your day is going great. I really do. Going into that, we're in the holiday season, and I hope everybody is having a good one. All right, we're gonna open this. I want to show you. All right, we're opening it. Here we go. Here we go, DJ. Oh, DJ. Yeah. DJ's the man. Let's see what we got. We got the official unboxing knife. Let's see what we got here. We got some, look at that, Johnson's teriyaki sausage sticks. Yeah, that's wood snacks right there. Wood snacks. Yeah. What is this? What is this? These are like squatching snacks, right? It's not Jack's Links, but it's close enough for me. What do we got here? Nice. Look at that. Nice sweatshirt. South Bend, Washington. Awesome. Wow. Gosh, thanks, DJ. That is a really, really nice sweatshirt. Oh, yeah. That is primo. That'll be... Oh, gosh. Nice. Thanks, buddy. Oh, that's awesome. That is awesome. Really awesome. Oh, gosh. This place is so fun. All the support is just phenomenal. We bumped over 900. Thanks everybody for subscribing and for commenting and just supporting in every way that everybody here supports, because everybody supports different, whether it's a thumbs up, and if you go out and put a smile on somebody's face, that's supporting this community. And I really appreciate it. I do. DJ, I'm glad you're here. I really am, buddy. I hope you enjoy our shenanigans on the channel. I really do. I really do. And we're gonna get to cooking some stuff, on the next live feed. We'll probably be cooking some stuff in in the cast iron. Yeah, I can't wait. Oh my gosh, this is a nice sweatshirt. These will go right in the pickup. These will go right in the Toyota. Yeah, they'll go right in the Toyota. And they'll be Wood getting snacks. Thanks, buddy. I appreciate it. And I'm so glad you're here. I'm so glad you're here and part of this community. It's a great place to be. I'm telling you, it's a great place to be. If you're having a rough day or whatever, just find somebody from this community that's put a video up, or go to their channel. There's always something positive in this community. It's about positivity, it's about love, it's about kindness, and it's about spreading the message of, hey, let's just be nice to one another. Let's help somebody. Let's realize that we don't know what they're going through in their life. You know, somebody runs a red light, well, who knows what happened the day before, the night before, 5 minutes before they got to where you're at. You know, take those things into account before you act, act out and, whatever. Try to stay positive. I know there's certain things, that still, push my buttons, but we all have that, right? We all have that. And I think we'll probably always all have that for sure. But there's always something positive to find in this community. And that is what is so great about it. And what I appreciate about everybody here. Everybody is nice to each other in the comments. And, it's peaceful. It's peaceful. And if you need, help for any other reason, don't be afraid to reach out. Don't be afraid to reach out for help. Because there's so many people here that are knowledgeable in so many different things, and can talk to you about anything you want to talk about, anything you want to learn about. This community is the best I've seen by far for that. No mean mouth and no negative, nothing. Just, suggestions and straight up positivity. I love it. All right, everybody. Please welcome DJ Jeremiah to our community. I can't believe I'm saying that. I'm just ecstatic about the whole thing. DJ Jeremiah. The DJ Jeremiah. There ain't no other DJ Jeremiah. I love you, brother. I do. All right, everybody, take care and be safe. TazMan is rolling.